back to my channel. First things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you so much for clicking on this here video. I appreciate you for stopping by. All my old time subscribers, y'all make me feel so special, and I am so appreciative of you guys for clicking on this video again as well. So let's go ahead and get right into it. If you don't know, I do not promote what I do not like, what I do not use. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this review. This is by HAIRFINITY. You guys, I'm sure, have heard of the brand, the line. This is a gentle cleanse shampoo, and I really adore that, okay, because sometimes you don't want that harsh feeling. You know, as naturals, we know how it is. We don't want to have our hair feeling stripped, but we want it to feel clean. This is exactly what it does for me. Okay, I'm gonna put that out there. This is how this video is just all about like how it works on my hair. I just want to be clear because, you know, what I like you may not like, and vice versa. It is sulfate free, it is silicone and paraben free, which is excellent. Okay, it's supposed to be infused with their exclusive capillisana.
What?
Capillisana complex, delivering hydrolyzed collagen, MSM, and horsetail. Those ingredients are really good for hair growth. And HAIRFINITY is known for promoting hair growth. On the back, it does have that it has 12 months. So after you have opened it, you have 12 months to use this bad boy. It does expire after 12 months, so you wouldn't be really cognizant of that, okay? I personally would recommend this. Now, I know that it's a little bit pricey, all right? And if you're like me, I like to say quaint. However, with HAIRFINITY, I feel it's really good to go ahead and invest in a really good shampoo, because if you're a natural, you probably don't shampoo your hair as often as someone else, right? So you're probably only doing it maybe once a week. Some naturals maybe go months sometimes without shampooing. So I feel like, you know what, it's okay because your shampoo is going to last you. Unfortunately, with this, it does not sud up in the way that I prefer. So I find myself using a little bit more. I'm not a fan of the pump. I don't really care for pump products, especially when your hands are slippery. I just really wish companies wouldn't do that. What's inside is what counts. So if it's such a big deal, you know, I would just take it and then just pour it. But you really don't need a lot. I'm just heavy-handed with products, if I'm just honest. I will say I do like this because this is what makes me so excited. Oh, how they do. Bless God. The fact that it does say a gentle cleanse shampoo, it is so true. Like, when you shampoo your hair does not feel stripped. Your hair does not feel dry. Your hair does not feel, it doesn't have that squeaky sound to it, but it feels so cleansed. And that is what I'm looking for in a shampoo. If I'm spending a whole lot of money, all right, I don't need for you to strip every goodness out of my scalp and hair, okay? Okay. Get my stuff clean and we good. Infuse some minerals and some vitamins like it says it does on here. We good, we even better. You know what I mean? This I would recommend. I don't know if you want to spend your coin, okay? I would definitely go ahead and purchase this if you are able to, because we know times is rough, okay? Then we have the strengthening amino mask, okay? Again, this is sulfate free, silicone and paraben free, which is actually awesome. Again, after using this, you have 12 months. So it's a year to get this bad boy out of the way. This is not, I'm not a fan of the smell. I will keep it 100. I'm not really a fan of the smell. It is a little strong to me, but it does dissipate. You can kind of see the oils. I know on camera you're not going to be able to really see that, but it's like you can see the oil in here. It does have several oils in here that's further down on the, you know, ingredients list, so that means it's not that much. But you can like for real see like the oil in here, which I thought was really cool. I didn't expect for this really to hydrate, because when I think of strengthening, I think of proteins. And with protein for my hair feels, you know, it doesn't feel super hydrated. So I need to come in with like a hydrating mask or hydrating deep conditioner. To me, if I'm honest, I've used it 3 times and I really don't see a huge difference. The last time I used it, brushing my hair with it made a tremendous difference. So when I rinsed out my hair, I felt the softness, which I didn't feel the first go round, or the second go round after using that. So I still have a lot of products in here, and I'm gonna try a few more times. Hopefully I can get a few times out of this. But again, this stuff is pricey, and it's a little jar to me. It's only 8 fluid ounces. So it is a very small jar for those who, you know, have a lot of hair, who have long curly hair, whatever the case may be. So you want to be aware of that. If I'm honest, I don't dislike it, but I would probably use my money on their leave-in conditioner or their vitamins or their shampoo. I can get similar results with different product that doesn't cost as much. It's pricey, and I really feel like with the results that I got, I feel like I can get it from another deep conditioner that is half the price. But I will say, using both the products back to back, my hair felt just very healthy. My favorite out of all of them would be the shampoo, only because it just does what it says. Like, I'm all here for the gentle cleanse, all right? Just cleanse it gently. So then I was also given the HAIRFINITY Candy Locks Chewable Hair Vitamins, a sweet solution for beautiful hair. Oh, and it's packed with biotin, 60 vitamin gummies. Other ingredients, however, is sugar, tapioca syrup, which isn't the greatest, pectin, citric acid, natural flavor, color added, black carrot juice concentrate, and sodium citrate. It is, you know, it's not the cheapest stuff. I personally found these to be super addictive. Like, they taste just like candy, so it's hard just to have two. You have to be careful to only put the suggested amount in your body once a day. I was pretty consistent with those, and the only thing that I really saw was thickness. I didn't really experience growth, but I think when you take vitamins, you have to take them for a longer period of time. Plus, you need to be doing your part as well, and maybe it was just me. Maybe it was just me. I don't know. So I think I've covered everything. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and I hope you liked it. If you did, go ahead and give me a like, okay? Don't do your girl like that, all right? If you are not a part of the fam, damn, go ahead and do me a favor and get your love. If you are not a part of the fam, bam, go ahead and do me a favor and subscribe to this here channel. I post videos once a week that you do not want to miss, because I don't do it on a specific day. So, you know, you might want to click that bell or whatever, you know, just if you want to be on a notification gang, you know, I'm just saying. All right. Thank you, HAIRFINITY, for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate your time. I'll see you guys in my next video.